I am going to start planting my straw bales. Now I spent 10 days getting these all conditioned and all ready to plant. And they're warm. They're still a little warm on the inside, but they're good. It's a good temperature. They got really hot at first, but this is the first year that I did this, and I want to see how it's going to work. So I only got like 3 to 4 plants for each bale. And with this, all I did was grab some Miracle Grow potting soil. Was basically all they had at the hardware. Now you can see how soft this is. I have just laid the water and fertilizer just exactly like I'm supposed to do. So in this first one, I am going to make a little hole in here. And you just want to kind of pull it apart with your trowel there, your little shovel. Okay, now I'm going to do my tomatoes in there, if I can find them. These, I'm growing Roma tomatoes. These are determinate. So these would be a good one to grow in a straw bale. So I'm going to put a little bit of dirt in there. And I'm going to put my tomato plant down in there. And I'm going to top it off with some more dirt. And that's how my tomatoes are going to do. Now I'm going to do 3 of them per bale. Okay. So we'll go through this. I got 2 more here. I'll set them out where I want them. No, I didn't grow my own I didn't start my own. I bought these already started. Sometimes this is a little, there we go. Okay, we got that. Put my little thing down there. I might have to dig that a little bit deeper. There we go. Put a little bit more on there. That will help it root into the straw. Now, if you're going to do this with seedlings, you're going to want to put about 2 to 3 inches on top of this bale and then plant your seeds in there. So anyway, 1 more to go. I'll do 1 more and then I'll stop and get the rest of them all done. And then I'll come back and show you. See, sometimes it just takes a little bit of work to get that. Make sure you get a real good bunch of soil in there so it helps it root into the straw. Okay. All right, so there, my friends, is the first bale. Very, very, very nice looking. And I'll get the rest of them done. And I've got, I'll just tell you when I get it all done. Let me get these finished planting and then I'll be right back. Okay, friends, I am done. And I will show you in this bale over here, I've got 3 tomato plants. I've got 4 pepper plants. They're the bell pepper plants. And then on this side, the inside of the bale, I've got 4 plants of kale. Now you can plant on all around this bale. And then on the other side, which I don't think you can see too well, let me turn this. Oh, good gravy. There we go. Well, I can't turn it. This side, you probably barely see, I've got cucumbers, and they're going to spread all over on that side. Okay, so that's that side. Now on the other side here, all the way to the end, I got 1, 2, 3 cabbage plants. And then on the inside of that bale, I've got the pickling cucumbers, the small cucumber plants. And then right here, I've got 2 plants of bush beans. You probably can't see them, just 2 plants. I just want to see how it's going to work. Because they do say you can plant on all 4 sides of these bales. plus the top, of course. So I've got yellow summer squash, because that is my favorite. And that's it. That's it for my straw bales. Now I'll show you. They look very nice. Let me get around here. I'll take this off. They look really nice. And I'll give you a close-up. You see I've got extra potting soil in them. That'll just give them a little extra dirt to root into the straw. And the bales on the inside are still fairly warm, but they're not hot. So, oh look it, we can't leave that behind. Anyway, you can see the cucumber plants down on the sides, and they'll probably grow up over the logs and spread out. And I've got those cabbages on top, and then the little pickling cucumbers down under there. And these will be really nice. And there's my little kale plants. So, I'm pretty excited to see how this is going to turn out. And I did everything like textbook perfect because it's my first time doing this. So, hopefully, it'll be productive. So, my dear friends, that's enough for today. I am going to go in the house because it's starting to get hot out. I got to turn the sprinkler on, and then I'm going in. And probably get ready to do my DIY bird feeders. So, thanks for watching.